Welcome back. The Anganwadi teachers at Darbandora are upset with government's carelessness. They say that despite having land for Anganwadi, they have to teach the small kids in a rented old house. The space is not enough. There is no toilet for the children.
Yes, these are the playful students who come to an Anganwadi to learn and play. This place is at Bhumika Nagar in Darbandora, but they don't have proper place to study. Every day these students come to the so-called Anganwadi.
Main problem.
They don't have proper toilets, tap water or place to study. The only thing they have is accommodation in an old rented house. It's been long since the government officials inspected a site for the construction of a new Anganwadi building, but nothing has been put on paper.
Government investigation भी केले inauguration भी करना अशे पळोवन भी गेले त्यांचे इंजिनियर भी येवन पळोवन गेले बालवाडी खातीर येवन पळोवन आता वर्स जाय तेले पण पुढे काय करूना त्यांनी.
The teacher at the Balwadi informed that the students were provided uniforms during the election time by a political leader, nothing from the government.
Uniform ना थोड्या आमकां कोणी अशें इलेक्शना टायमार कोणी दिल्ले अशें मागीर थोड्यांक शिवपाकू पेरेंट्स तितले जायना म्हणटा बालवाडीक म्हटल्यार तांकां केअर ना केजीक म्हटल्यार रोखडे शिवता ती.
However, the government officials have turned a blind eye to this problem. Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
And now news from sports. Goa could only manage a draw in their Ranji Trophy Group C match against Services at Porvorim. The hosts failed to overtake Services total and as such had to be content with a point while the visitors earned 3 points. Goa have thus drawn all 5 of their Ranji matches this season. With 3 matches remaining, Goa will have to improve miraculously to finish in the top 2 to move to the knockout phase.
Although Ravikant Shukla and Rohit Asnodkar had taken Goa to stumps in a confident fashion on Monday, the hosts lost the remaining 5 wickets for the addition of 69 runs on Tuesday morning. Services gained 92-run lead over Goa and clinched 3 points. For Goa, a point took their tally to 9 points from 5 matches. Goa remains 7th in the 9-team table with 3 matches to play. Only the top 2 teams from Group C will proceed to the knockout phase and get promoted to Group B for next season. If Goa win their remaining 3 matches, they can get into the next phase, but it looks a massive task for Shadab Jakati's boys. Goa's professional recruit Ravikant Shukla has been the most consistent batsman so far. The 25-year-old Uttar Pradesh-born Shukla is aggregating 416 runs in 5 matches.
अभी काफ़ी खुश हूँ कि अच्छी बैटिंग हो रही है थ्रू आउट द सीज़न बट अभी और थोड़ा सा मुझे लगता है कि और थोड़ा सा मैच फिनिश करना चाहिए. जैसे अभी लास्ट मैच आपने देखा हम लोग 150 रन कुछ पीछे थे तो एक अच्छा पार्टनरशिप करना था मुझे साथ में. अनफॉर्चुनेट आउट हुआ तो एक वो अभी डिसअपॉइंटमेंट है थोड़ा सा और लंबा खेलना चाहता हूँ थोड़ा सा कि और टीम के लिए और बेनिफिट हो सके.
The worrying factor, however, is Shukla's conversion rate. In the 6 innings he has played, Shukla has scored just 1 century while getting out 50+ scores thrice.
नहीं मेंटल लैप्स इन कंसंट्रेशन तो नहीं कह सकते. जस्ट ये है कि इनिशियली सेकेंड डे जब बैटिंग के लिए जा रहा हूँ तो थोड़ा मतलब लास्ट डे के फ्लो में जा रहा हूँ तो वो फ्रेश स्टार्ट चाहिए एक्चुअली. जो आप फर्स्ट डे जाते हैं तो एक 15-20 बॉल पहले खेलते हैं वो फ्रेश स्टार्ट करूंगा तो शायद से मेरे लिए अच्छा होगा और स्कोर में और लंबा स्कोर होगा.
Your eyes will be on the India team, isn't it?
जी अच्छा फॉर्म चल रहा है और मैं बिलीव करता हूँ कि फर्स्ट डिज़र्व देन डिज़ायर. तो अपना काम है फर्स्ट रन बनाना और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा रन बनाएंगे तब फिर उस बारे में एक बार सोच सकते हैं कि हाँ मैं कहाँ स्टैंड करता हूँ.
Having been the batting mainstay for Goa, Shukla feels the state team can do well in the remaining matches.
एक्चुअली मिस्टेक्स हम लोग नहीं कर रहे हैं इतनी, हम लोग ओवरऑल ठीक खेल रहे हैं. बैटिंग हम लोग हर मैच में 350 प्लस रन्स बना रहे हैं बैट्समैन लोग मिलके, लेकिन जो एफर्ट है वो एक्चुअली इंडिविजुअली कम हो रहा है. अभी वो कलेक्टिविटी जब आएगी तब वो मैच विनिंग में फिर चेंज हो जाता है, तो वो एक्चुअली अभी नहीं आ पा रहा है. तो नेक्स्ट मैचेस में कोशिश करेंगे कि वो कलेक्टिव एफर्ट आएगा तो हमारी टीम के लिए अच्छा होगा.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Porvorim.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.